Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply for the Calm app through American Express. If you have a platinum card, these are some of the perks that they are offering right now to help us distress and stay active. So here's all the benefits that they're offering. You can go through these on your app with the American Express, or you should have received an email by now on this. I am interested in the Calm free year of premium services, so just make sure to apply before September 30th. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on enroll now. It says welcome to Calm. So they are so excited to bring this exclusive offer to card members. So to begin, you will need to log in or create a Calm account. I do not have the app, so I'm just gonna apply. Do you have already a Calm account? I do not, so I'm gonna say no. I am gonna sign in with my Facebook. It's just really simple. Through that, it just links through my Facebook, and it's gonna ask me for my American Express information, because after that one free year, it will, so it says at the end of your free year, you will be billed at half off, which is really nice. And then after that second year, you'll be billed the full amount of $69.99. So essentially, they are offering us $70 worth of value with this premium subscription. Very nice. So I'm gonna put in my card name and number. Make sure if you are not interested in having these services after that free year to cancel, of course. Alright, so enter your American Express card information to sign up for Calm Premium. Your card will not be charged for the complimentary year, so keep that in mind. Welcome to your Calm Premium. Your subscription will renew on June 3rd, 2021. At this point, you want to download the Calm app. Right, so in the process of downloading the app, you're gonna, since this is a paid, premium is a paid subscription, so you will need to approve this purchase by double clicking to install. Go ahead and install the app. I'm just making sure that everything looks good here. And it depending on your Wi-Fi, it's going to take a few seconds to download the app. I have it right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Take a deep breath, of course. So since I've never had this app before, I am kind of gonna be looking through it and making sure it will ask you a few questions like sending you notifications. So you're gonna go ahead and click through that. It's gonna ask you what brings you to Calm, like what personalized recommendations based on what you would like from the app. I went on and signed up through Facebook, again, just to make sure that everything looks good. Are you interested in meditation? What is your experience? So you'll just kind of go through these yourself based on what you want, and it will bring you to the main overview of the app. So I was kind of really interested in seeing what the app has to offer. Scrolling down, I can see some quick tools like quick and easy. These only take about 3 to 7 minutes, I believe, as you can see. So yeah, you know, if you only have a few minutes, it's a great way to get engaged. Then you also have mental fitness, sleep stories. I think that's the reason I was most interested in getting. So I just kind of looked through those. You have meditation section and music, which is kind of pretty cool. and they have a program where you have like daily calls. So each day they'll send out a new, action that you can take. I went into the sleep stories because it was pretty late when I was doing this, so I just went and walked through some more things. But ultimately, I listened to the sleep story by Matthew. I think that's how you say his name. But yeah, just wanted to show you everything that the app has to offer. Everything is so colorful and pretty. You can definitely see the value in the app. Lots of options here. Alright, so this is the one that I've chosen, and I wanted to give you a little preview.
Well, hello there. I'm Matthew.
Sounds pretty nice, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you
as you
next
settle in
time.
under the covers
Thank
with
you.
your head easing into the pillow.
I wanted to show you how to access the Calm app through the American Express Platinum card and the resources that they are offering at this time. It's pretty simple to apply once you get the email. I'm sure you can go also to their phone app and get it through there, through the benefits section, I believe. And it's pretty simple. I'm doing it just real life. I am gonna listen to that story, the bedtime story, and yeah, before I go to bed, I'm gonna hit the lights off. I'm pretty tired. It's been a long day. This video is not sponsored, just wanted to say that. However, I did want to show you guys some of the benefits that American Express is offering, and yeah, I'm sure it's gonna be a great app, and I'm excited to check in. Anyways, you guys, I hope you all have a good night. I hope not to have any nightmares tonight because I have been lately and it's weird. But anyways, good night, you guys. Sleep tight.